friends, welcome to my kitchen. So we recently renovated the kitchen, had a little bit of a makeover. So I wanted to talk about the details, show before and after clips. The before clips are actually from the vlog, so you'll see pictures or videos of me pregnant in the video. But let's get started with the before and after. So here's the before of our kitchen. It was a dark cherry wood with a very distinct bordered backsplash, and we decided to go for a white kitchen. It has been my dream to have a white kitchen, so I'm just so excited to share my small kitchen with you guys. And before we moved in the house, we actually wanted to change the appliances to stainless steel, so we changed the white fridge to stainless steel fridge, as well as the dishwasher. This dishwasher was actually really old, so we did need to replace it, and we got a stainless steel dishwasher by Bosch, and we love it because it stays silent. Like, you can barely tell it's on unless you see that little red light. We've got, you know, our blender there, our toaster. I love that the kitchen actually faces our backyard and we can see the kids play when they're older while I cook and do dishes and things like that. And if you guys look at the backsplash, it had slate and a border situation going on. We decided to go for a simpler backsplash, so we went with beveled backsplash. It's glass. In person it looks more gray tone or blue, but over here you can kind of see it looks blue, gray, or even green sometimes. And I like that it's beveled subway tiles because there's like dimension to it. And the flooring was slate, which I was cool with, but then the border situation I wasn't into, so we decided to go for porcelain tile, and it looks like wood and it's a gray color, and I just love it. It's very easy to clean, and I have cats and you can't really see cat hair. And then we have that moving island over here. We just bought that on Amazon. We bought it white, but then the white didn't match our kitchen cabinet, so Justin actually repainted it. And we also had one that was cherry wood that we also bought on Amazon before we did the renovations. The white paint is by Benjamin Moore. It's called Decorator's White, and it is the cabinet coat, so it's supposed to harden harder. I don't know, that's what they said. And then we also got pull-out drawers, which is really nice to access your pots and pans. And we also changed the handles of everything in the kitchen cabinets. It used to be like a bronze, and now it's more brushed nickel. And we changed our countertops as well. The countertops, it's called Calcetta Vicenza, and it is prefabricated quartz, and I just absolutely love it. It's amazing, and it was so fun going in and wearing a hard hat and picking the one that you wanted. So that is our kitchen tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll be doing cleaning videos very soon, and if you guys see over here, I have other videos that you can watch. Thank you guys. Bye.